Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering crane safety while having some fun and learning the basics along the way. Welcome to our video on crane safety. Today, we'll explore essential tips and techniques to ensure you and your team stay safe on the job site. Many construction workers overlook crane safety, leading to devastating accidents. It's crucial to address these challenges head-on. The statistics are alarming, and it's essential that we prioritize crane safety to prevent such incidents. By doing so, we can ensure a secure work environment for everyone involved. The consequences of neglecting crane safety can be severe, ranging from injuries to fatalities. Moreover, it can also lead to costly lawsuits and damage to a company's reputation. Therefore, it's vital that we take proactive measures to promote crane safety. We'll break down the basics of crane safety, including proper signal communication, equipment checks, and understanding load limits. Proper signal communication is critical to ensure that the crane operator and the team on the ground are on the same page. This includes using standardized hand signals and radios to convey instructions clearly. Equipment checks are also vital to ensure that the crane is in good working condition. This includes inspecting the crane's structural components, wire ropes, and electrical systems. Understanding load limits is another crucial aspect of crane safety. This includes knowing the crane's capacity, the weight of the load, and the distance between the crane and the load. Let's look at a scenario where a construction team was working on a high-rise project. The crane operator was not properly trained, and the team on the ground was not using standardized hand signals. The result was a near-miss incident that could have had devastating consequences. The investigation revealed that the crane operator was not aware of the load limits, and the team on the ground was not properly trained. This incident highlights the importance of prioritizing crane safety. By doing so, we can prevent such incidents and ensure a secure work environment. In summary, mastering crane safety is vital for a secure work environment. Remember these key points as you head out to your next job. If you found this video helpful, check out our other videos on construction safety tips and leave your thoughts in the comments below.